All right, so me and Chris are headed to pick up a trailer. So this is gonna be pretty dope. I'm trying to start my towing business, my logistics business, and this is how we're gonna kind of start it. So I'm really excited. We're gonna get this. It's kind of a junker, but it's gonna be the perfect segue and the perfect kind of piece of equipment to kind of make some more money to buy better equipment. So that's kind of the plan. Chris is here.
What's up, guys?
He was eating a big ass sandwich.
It was amazing.
So yeah, it should be fun. Chris, I told Chris to go halves in on it with me, but he was bitching. So whatever. But
I still have time to think about it though.
no, he's dead now.
Ah, damn.
No, he's dead now.
Damn.
But we might go buy a dirt bike too. So we're on the road buying stuff. It's going. It's gonna be sick. So yeah. Where's it at, bro?
It's right here, bro. That shit hurts.
All right, so we are in Chester. This place is there ain't nothing here.
That's not even a Publix, guys. That's a discount marketplace.
What the heck is a discount marketplace?
That's what I'm saying. They got a Family Dollar.
Place is wild.
For 500, because the girl put a title on it, she didn't go back and get it. And she said, man, I don't over like $500. Give me $325 and pay the title on place off. No, I paid the title on place off $325 and gave her $125 in her pocket and got the car back.
What?
Yep.
You can't beat that.
So I made money out that car twice, and then my daughter, like I said, she drove it all through college.
Dang.
Yeah, so.
That's what's up, man.
Yeah, now my sister-in-law's car there, she had a deal, the whole front end. I picked up, we put new hood, fenders, headlights, we put everything back in the front. And she gave me like $3,200, then cost me like $1,000 for parts. I painted it myself, put it back on. Painting is easy.
Did you get the insurance?
Oh yeah, I got it.
Man, you can't beat
No,
that.
I'm telling you, if you get an insurance claim, and see, that's what you need to do. I'm telling you, if somebody wreck a car and you got you a nice spot and they bring it to your shop, you can charge $30 a day storage, and the insurance company gonna pay it. They gonna pay it. Plus, if you tow it there, if you tow it to your shop,
You get the tow rate too.
You get the tow fee. You can want $550 and you ain't did nothing. As long as it sit there, insurance company come and look at it, and then they might tell you, well, we need to get in the hood. The hood won't. You already wrecked. You open up the hood, you charge them another $125 for tear down. Because they're gonna charge you for tearing it down to open the hood because they can't get it open to look and see what all the repairs is.
God dang.
Hell, you get half of the day. You get most of you set your own bill.
You can't beat that, bro. Man, I appreciate the
The
info.
only thing you got to do, don't know something about buying the cars and title. Because I'll tell you, if I can't buy it, if I see something and y'all want it, and it ain't about $800 or $900.
Call me, bro.
I'll call you because I'm telling you, and especially it's on the other side, the passenger seat, and
anything less than a band, you call me, bro.
oh, I get you. I get you a lot of times.
All right, so this is the trailer. She got some fresh tires. Middle deck is filled. I think we're gonna be good on this one. Got a winch, storage box, a whole 9 yards. This is a nice one. We're gonna paint it, do it right. I've got some new tail lights the guy gave me for buying it. It's got a D-ring. This is a sweet trailer. I'm obviously gonna do a lot to it and get it right, but it is awesome. This thing is dope. It's got some little ramps there. So we're good to go, man. This thing is sweet. As soon as I get the F350 done, I'm gonna pull it back with the F350. The only thing we've been waiting on for that thing is trying to get the spark plugs right on it, man. So I've had some issues with the threads on the spark plugs, so typical 5.4 stuff. But yeah, so that's what we're waiting on that. We just bought this trailer. I'm gonna bring it home this week sometime. We can get started towing some cars whenever we get the F-150 back too. So it's time to get to it. This should be awesome.
All right, go.
All right, so now we are headed to pick up a 110. We found a 110. I'm giving $100 for it. I don't even know if it runs, but I'm going to get it right now. Chris is missing out on some money, and I'm sorry, but we gotta get this 110. We done bought the trailer. Now we're going to get a 110. So we are hustling. We're going to go get it. Life waits for no man. I think that's how it goes. What do you think, Chris?
I think we're about to get a dirt bike, a pit bike.
A pit bike.
Yes, a pit bike. It's gonna be lit.
What's your wife gonna say?
She's gonna freak out.
So we're 2 miles away.
Yo, Bob. How's it going, bud?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can't see it.
No, we ain't gonna put you on that. Dude, you're jacked, man. That thing's sweet. What's the story on it?